Booyah. 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 The cook-up boss, bitch. Ain't no filters either. You see that, man? When you make a spaghetti, man, that's how it should look, man. It should have all the ingredients in it. You did. You know, I'm finna start finishing cooking this hamburger meat. Gotta drain that grease off, you dig? But you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to show y'all. Look at that, baby. Yeah. Yeah, all that garlic in there. Then I'm gonna top it off with some of these old thighs. Y'all know how I get busy with them thighs, man. And I had to put the wines in there too, you understand me? The cook-up balls. Hey, fellas. Get out that woman's house. You did. Yeah, bitch, the cook-up balls, bitch, I'm done. Me and my baby finna eat good, you did. Yeah, we finna eat real good. It's got everything in that motherfucker, man. And that's my baby right there. You did. Hey, fellas. Get up out that woman's house. You did. Yeah, the cook-up boss, man, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done, bitch. Hey, fellas. Get out that woman's house. You dig.